I'm going to copy this SSD to this just as a backup. I have done it in reverse before, to an SSD, it don't really matter. Although DD is supposed to be a little bit harsh on SSDs. But for your first time it shouldn't really matter. You need two of them as well. Two leads that connects it, SATA connectors to USB. Okay, so let's do it. Let's see if it boots as well after. I couldn't get the Windows one to boot, so let's see if this one does. So I'm going to put sudo dd if equals, let's check which one's which. So SDC is the input file. SDD, so I'm going from the 150 to 300. Block size 1M to make it a bit faster, and then I think status equals progress. Yeah, status equals progress. So we go read out. I wonder if we could put time at the front of this as well. Just double check SDC to SDD. Right, so it doesn't look like there's any point in putting that time or the V, so you can leave them out. But now I'll let it go, I'll let it copy, and then I'll see if it'll boot. Right, so they've done that, and it was worth putting that V on for both. There's a lot of information is brought up, which is interesting. A couple of faults, major input and output faults. So yeah, it is worth putting the -V for both. But anyway, let's see if this boots up. So I've got it fitted, and it does look like it's working. Looks like Windows is configuring itself. Can't figure out what's going on. But I'll come back if it loads. Yeah, it's booted. So, brilliant tool that is. The DD on Linux. It comes with it as well, already loaded, so you don't even have to install it.